Today my order is sun activated color changing fabric paint, which I'm making from our Photochromic sun activated powder pigment, which we have for sale. Indoor is pink, and once you step outside it turns immediately to purple or blue depending on how strong the sun is at your location. Right now when I'm filming it, it's winter here, so it's a purple color, but during the summer it's strong dark blue. With this fabric paint you can make your own color changing t-shirt and shoes. It immediately will turn back to original once you step back indoor. That's what happened here. I have different colors, so many choices. This one even glows in the dark, and you can purchase the powder pigments to make your own paints, or you can purchase the premix paint ready to use at colorchangingdeals.com.